During the finals of a school quiz bowl, a parrot started yelling out answers. Correct ones. The gym was silent. 2 teams, 1 trophy. Suddenly from the back row. The War of 1812. Everyone turned. It was Pickles, a green parrot sitting on the shoulder of Coach Thompson. At first, people laughed, then gasped, because Pickles started blurting out answers before the players did. Mozart, photosynthesis, Neil Armstrong. Turns out, the coach had been secretly feeding the parrot answers all week at practice, and Pickles memorized everything. Every single question. The other team demanded a rematch. Coach Thompson stammered. Pickles squawked, "He cheated! He cheated!" The whole gym lost it. Coach got disqualified. The trophy went to the other team, Pickles. He was offered an honorary diploma, and now he teaches history on TikTok.